All right, welcome to week three. This week we are looking at the nomination process. We want to understand how the process evolved from the time when basically it was just a state caucus deal to the more electoral process where we rely increasingly on primaries and why those processes, why primaries can be problematical. Um, we want to talk a little bit about the rules governing the nomination process, how each state gets a slate of delegates and what goes into that, how states determine how the delegates get allocated. We'll talk a little bit about the reforms, the early 1970s that resulted in the kind of the shape of the current process. We'll talk a little bit about the Supreme Court laws that deal with campaign finance and the process of getting the nomination. And maybe what's going wrong with our process. Why is our nomination process resulting in, for example, in 2016 you had two people that were pretty wildly unpopular in both parties getting a nomination. Why are we getting to those kinds of candidates? Um, there are really only for week three the two assignments, which are very important. The forum, which remember you need to do the 1-4-4 formula. You need to make a summary post by Tuesday. Then you need to make at least 4 reply posts, and those need to be spread out over the balance of the week, over 4 days. And then you have the quiz. Um, I wanted to make a note, that I have PowerPoints in the course resources section, and those PowerPoints have mini lectures. So if you open the PowerPoint into its presentation mode, you should be able to access those little mini lectures. There's usually at least one in each PowerPoint presentation. So there's 30 points available this week. Let's do good work.